If y'all want a fire background, wallpaper, iOS, home screen, whatever you want to call it, just like that, make sure to stay tuned because I'm finna show y'all the full tutorial. Make sure to leave a like and sub, and let's get it. So first thing you guys want to do is open up App Store and download this app called Widgetsmith. Download this app and after that you're good to go. Now go to Safari or Google, whatever you have. Look for a nice picture, wallpaper, whatever, and then save that to photos. Press add to photos. After that, go to your gallery. Now, bottom left, and add this picture to an album. So you just make a random album. I already have an album right there, as you can see. Just make a new one and make sure there's only the picture you want. So you just choose that. I'll just go out. And then you open Widgetsmith. And then I'm gonna delete this, so we'll just make a new one. And then press on the one where it says the little date. So like right now it says Saturday. Just press that. Then all the way down to the bottom, photo and album. Then press on favorites. Go all the way down until you see the album you made. So right here I had this one. So just go to this one. You see the picture already pops up at the bottom left. So you just go back. And now you have the picture saved here. So you press save. Now you just go ahead and hold on one of these, edit home screen, press the plus button on the top left, scroll down until you see Widgetsmith, add widget, and now just drag it to wherever you want it at. So I want to add the blue, so I already have one, so I'm gonna just do this. So now you hold this. Now just hold it, edit widget. Now choose the first one or the third, whichever you have. I think one, nope, mine was the third, okay. So just go ahead and choose whichever your number was. And there we go. And this is how you do it with every single one. Sometimes it happens that apps can be out of order, so just get them back to wherever you had them at. And as you guys can see, I have my green, red, purple, blue, black, and white. And we good to go. See, now we have a clean background and we good. So if this worked for y'all, if this was easy, if y'all understood what I said, make sure to leave a like and sub, you know, just help your boy out, you feel me? Other than that, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video and we out.